What's up, everybody? It's Kurt at Detail Solutions and Ceramic Pro White Marsh. I posted earlier on our social media about this and how paint protection film can save you from a crazy toddler. And it's funny, as I'm taking this video, I can see there's some handprints here on the back from our 3-year-old. So this is actually my wife's Tesla Model Y. We've done a full PPF, paint protection film, clear bra, whatever you want to call it, right? And KAVACA's matte film. So we also do the true clear bra, we have the matte film, and we have some other designer films as well. But the real thing that I wanted to show you here was a few weeks ago, my toddler was outside with me, and all of a sudden they hear radio silence. And for those of you with kids, you'll know that's not normally a good sign, right? He was playing with landscape rocks and rubbing them up and down this entire passenger side of the vehicle. And as you can tell, there's not a single scratch on it. So this paint protection film has saved us thousands in a repaint. And my toddler definitely learned his lesson on, hey, you don't put rocks on cars, right? So if you're interested in having KAVACA paint protection film, clear bra, or vinyl wrap, ceramic coating, or anything like that, feel free, give us a call here at Detail Solutions and Ceramic Pro White Marsh.